How to find downloaded files on Android. This tutorial shows you exactly where to locate all your downloaded documents, images, and files. First, open the My Files app or Files app on your Android device from the app drawer. Next, tap on Downloads from the main menu to view all your downloaded files. Following that, you'll see a list of all files you've downloaded, including PDFs, images, documents, and APK files. Now, you can tap on any file to open it directly from this location. Moving forward, if you can't find the Files app, you can also access downloads through the Gallery app for images and videos. Afterwards, another method is to open your browser like Chrome or Samsung Internet. In addition to that, tap on the three dots menu and select Downloads to view files downloaded through that specific browser. Once there, you'll see all browser downloads organized by date. Subsequently, you can also use the search function in the Files app by tapping the search icon at the top and typing the file name. Moreover, if you want to organize your downloads, you can create folders or move files to different locations by long pressing on them. After that, tap on Move or Copy and select your desired destination folder. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, show some love with a like, subscribe for more useful Android tutorials, and enable the bell icon for new videos. See you in the next one.